Where does the name for Moel Gyffylog come from? So today I'm in the hills just above Eglwys in Conwy County, and this hill behind me here is called Moel Gyffylog. The name's made of two parts: Moel, which originally meant bald, but actually now means a hill that's taller than the tree line, but not quite tall enough to be a mountain. And then we have Gyffylog, which is the soft mutated form of Cyffalog, which is a woodcock, as in the bird, not the other thing. Now, a Gyffylog, the name of it comes from Ceffyl, which means horse, and og, which is an adjective, so horse-like. And it's probably because the sound of a woodcock sounds a little bit like a horse sometimes when it snorts. There's a saying in Welsh which is "Nid wrth y big am I prynu Gyffylog," which means don't buy a woodcock by its beak, which basically means don't judge a book by its cover. Anyway, check out my Patreon, it's in the link in the bio. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe. Diolch, have a good one.